This modern 2-bedroom property here at Kithill View is located close to Lidl, Marks and Spencer's food and B&M stores, and also the school, and you can walk into town within 20 minutes. So it's all really convenient, and the property comes with 2 bedrooms, a nice enclosed back garden, a garage with parking spaces in front, 2 parking spaces actually, and it's coming to the market at 195,000. Out the back here we have a very easy to keep garden. You've got fake grass and chippings, and there's a back gate there if you need to put the bins out the back, but I think they tend to go out the front, and that leads to a communal area out there, but not your parking. This is the main double bedroom. Plenty of room for double bed, along with wardrobes on the other end. For the second double bedroom, our current vendors use this as a bit of a snug, somewhere else to watch television rather than downstairs. As you can see, double up as an office or again as a bedroom.